Earlier in the video you saw that I was building headers, and I'm back again. I want to show you where some of those headers are going. Now we're building upside down. This wall is going to be standing up. Welcome back everyone, Jim here. Well, I'm in production, got some material, and going to be building the walls here soon. But along with the walls, you could have headers for the windows and door openings. So that's what I'm doing in this video, is building the headers. This one that I just finished is a door header. It's 41 long. These are 2x10s. The wall is going to be a 2x6 wall, so I got to end up with a 5.5 inch header. And you can't see it, but it is 5.5 inches. What I've got is 3 2x10s sandwiched with 1/2 inch foam. And that helps to make a little bit of a thermal break, because that's quite a large area. This one's all done, and I'm kind of showing you after the fact, but it's nice and square this way, sides across the top, and the ends. It matches nice on the ends, so that'll make a nice header. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start another one, and you can watch my process. I'm building it kind of. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if this is the right way to do it, but I'm trying to simulate the header when it's up in when it's in. And in that case, it's got to be parallel. Sides need to be parallel. They need to be squeezed together. This needs to be flat, and it needs to be flat underneath. And this seemed to be the easiest way to do it, because I know if it's laying on here, it's flat. So anyway, this one's done. First thing I do, if you can see it from back there, is I try to make sure that the pieces I've got are nice and flat. This here's a window header. So you can see, if I was to tip it like this, that wouldn't be good. So when it's laying on here, everything's got to be flat across the top, flat across the bottom, square, and it needs to be standing upright, square. So first thing I do is I put a clamp to help hold it. And then I use a square to square it all up. All right, so she's tipped good right there. And The foam was protruding and made it difficult to read. Okay, so that's good and square that way. Good and square that way. So what I'm going to do, put a screw in it to hold it. And I'm actually putting 2 screws on both sides, on the corners and in the middle. And when I actually erect it, I'll also put a bunch of regular nails. Okay, that'll hold that in. And of course I'll check it again. I do an awful lot of checking. I guess that's good. Nope, she's good that way. She's even that way. Let's go to this other side. Alright, she's nice and plumb and square that way. And this way should be good too. Yep. Alright, so let's put a couple of screws in there to hold that. Whoops. I felt it rise up. That ain't good. Yeah, that's where it needs to be, right there. Well, I guess I must be hitting a knot or something. Because it keeps trying to lift on me. No, she's still square. So, let me try a different area. Or I could be hitting that other screw. Perfect. All right. Do the same thing up here. Good. Flip her over and get some screws in the other end. Double check it. Looks good. Looks good. I like the screws too because it helps to even pull it together tighter. And I know they'll tell you you need nails. If it's structural, you need nails. Well, I'll put plenty of nails in it, but the screws are somewhat temporary. Double check. Good. Then across the middle. Good. There. Yep. Good. So there's a window header. Now I'm going to do all of them very similar to that. When I'm all done, I'll come back and talk to you. Earlier in the video you saw that I was building headers. Yeah. And